Effect of the technology in the environment, present by Marina Costa. The increase in the world population generates a need to increase the production of the food and the consumer goods. As a consequence of this is environment pollution, deforestation, urbanization of the land, air pollution. And from a point on the why, the technology not only negative effect in the environment, but can also contribute to of improve success and the recycle. The technology has allowed to increase recycle process, the know the state of the environment. In this way, we generate activity to improve friendly energy has been developed, for example, solar panels. The electric cars are the electric car that help to conserve the environment. In the future, I think if we'll all become aware to being responsible with the environment in the future, we can have a good quality in the environment. Other side, the poor will melt, the water are unconsumable, the air will not be available to consume by the people. How to mitigate the environment damage? I think it can be reduced in the three steps. 1. Recycle. 2. Reuse. And 3. Reuse garbage. Thank you.